Hi, my name is Juri. My website is jurilove.com, jurilove.com. Today, I want to talk about Dogecoin. But before I speak anything about Dogecoin, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have any license, so please don't take my advice or anything that I say to your heart. Please do your due diligent research if you were to buy Dogecoin or anything that I say. That I am just one individual who's just enthusiastic about investment, and then Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and sushi swap, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Now, I heard about Dogecoin from several friends back in November and December, and my friend who told me to invest when it was below 1 cent, I didn't take an action, so he thinks I'm silly. But eventually, I got in when it was 4 cents a couple months ago. So today is May 5th, and then it just went up to 67 cents. So, anyways, so Dogecoin, a lot of people are talking about it, and I think a lot of people already know a lot about Dogecoin. But just to go over, Dogecoin was created by IBM software engineer Billy Marcus, and he's from Portland, Oregon, and Adobe software engineer Jackson Palmer, who set out to create a peer-to-peer digital currency that could reach a broader demographics than Bitcoin. So it was officially launched December 6, 2013. And then the meme is Shiba Inu. I think you've seen that dog. And then the Japanese dog, Shiba Ken, we call it. It's like and then, so anyways, it's a fluffy dog. And I think the Dogecoin has a good potential. I think I talked about it in the last video because it's like really cute, and then a lot of people don't get too much of intimidation by going after different cryptocurrency that has maybe different symbols, like well, maybe the good one XRP or BTT, but Dogecoin is a dog meme and it's cute. So anyways, recently Mark Cuban, I think you might have seen Ellen's show, the Mark Cuban was talking really eloquently about the Dogecoin and then NFT and then all that stuff. But he, according to MSN.com, this was article breaking a couple months ago, but he said Cuba announced this week that his Dallas Mavericks will begin accept the popular cryptocurrency Dogecoin for purchases of ticket and merchandise, and he even suggested Ellen to see if people can buy some merch from Ellen's shop using the Dogecoin. And I think Bitcoin right now has over 100,000 retails that you can purchase stuff, including Tesla. But now I think Dogecoin, some of the YouTubers and some of the people are talking about potentially maybe Amazon might accept or Starbucks might accept. Who knows? But if that may happen, I think it's gonna skyrocket, obviously. And then I think cryptocurrency, a lot of people obviously were saying like decentralized, and it is the decentralized currency. But interestingly, Mark Cuban kept using the word digital currency, and digital currency to me, instead of decentralized currency, as positive, kind of vibe to it. And then also, I just think that my son is 10, my daughter's 4. When they are older, who knows, maybe the digital currency and then current currency, it might become 80% 20%, like 70-30, who knows, maybe 50-50. But it's kind of interesting because more retails are taking Doge as an payment. And then what happens is, right now it's 67 cents. Before it was 4 cents. So as a store owner, if you can accept it, obviously the value will go up. So if you have more Dogecoin and then it goes up, like just like a Bitcoin, and they would be more profitable. So I've been reading, I've been talking to a lot of people, and then there's an article about the Dogecoin mining block time is around a minute, and the network difficulty is way smaller in comparison to Litecoin, which is 2.5 minutes block time, or Bitcoin, which is 10 minutes block time. So it says another great fact about Dogecoin is that you can mine it all together with Litecoin, which is stable coin with a significant role in the altcoin market. And I've seen some YouTubers post about like how to mine Dogecoin, and then it doesn't require like fanning and then cooling system. It can kind of mine with some simpler software system, and it doesn't have to have this, computer that you have to invest a lot of money. So I think that's another thing. I don't know how many people mining Dogecoin, but I think the block time around a minute, that's really significant compared to Bitcoin 10 minutes block time. So that's one factor that I read that I thought it was very interesting. And then obviously Elon Musk talked about him buying Doge for his son, and then he's coming on SNL. Those are really influential, obviously, comments. And then so when you go to official dogecoin.com, and it has the wallet, different wallet, it's a multi-Doge or Dogecoin core that you can allow download the wallets as well. But now I think cryptocurrency itself, again, when you call it digital currency, I think it has a really great potential, and a lot of people definitely have hesitated to jump into invest in cryptocurrency than like traditional stock market. And I agree with you, but at the same time, I met some pretty wealthy people who made really great profit from Bitcoin, and then some people bought it when it was $4, or when it was like $50, when it was $200. Now it's like over $50,000. So who knows? And then some people are saying Bitcoin's gonna maybe go to 100,000 or 150,000. Who knows? And who knows if the Dogecoin will go to $1 or $10 or $100. But I think again, once one of my Nigerian friends told me that in Nigeria at one point last year that the government shut off the centralized banking system, so people couldn't access their money from the ATM. So what happened was a lot of young people bought Bitcoin and started to use it. And then I know the fact that before the pandemic, there was a live music jazz restaurant in Cambridge, Massachusetts. They are accepting Bitcoin. This is before pandemic again. But now when, about 2-3 years ago, when the retail or like restaurants accept the Bitcoin, and obviously that value went up. So as a store owner, why not? So I think that digital currency is definitely getting popular, and then Dogecoin is definitely playing a big role of having the Shiba Inu as a meme, and a lot of people love dogs and then I think it's easier now. Coinbase.com is a lot of people are buying cryptocurrency, but right now Coinbase is not available as of today. That Dogecoin is not available to purchase there, so a lot of people going to Robinhood app and to purchase Dogecoin, which I did also. So do your research, obviously, and then see if that's something that you are interested in. But again, it started really, really, really cheap last year. Even last year, a couple of months ago or so, it was below 1 cent, 2 cents, 3, 4 cents, and I don't know what happened, but it went up to 67, 40, 20, 30 cents, and then to all the way to 67 cents. So who knows, it's gonna go to $1 or $100 or $1,000, or maybe it would go to same as Bitcoin, who knows. But I think in overall, when it comes to the investment, you just cannot regret. And then my strategy is, if one of your friend who is doing trading and then being very literate about investment itself, I would definitely listen to it, and then I would see if it fits in my budget, and then if so, maybe even just a little bit hold on to it. And I have a friend who just cashed in everything when the Doge went to 40 cents. And that's one of the style. He goes in, dive in, and when the value goes up, and he just takes everything out, and then again when it drops, then he invests again. So that's one of the style definitely you can do. But again, some of the styles that you can hold on to it. Now, some people that I met for real that made a lot of money from Bitcoin, yeah, he was telling me about this card that you can connect with Bitcoin, and you can just purchase stuff like you know, money. It's sweet and it's just chilling. So but anyways, I hope this video is somewhat helpful. Again, I'm not an expert, I'm not a financial advisor at all, but I'm just really curious and then happy to share what I think of it. And then again, who knows if Amazon accepts, or Starbucks accepts, or Quick Stop, some of the convenience store accept. But again, Bitcoin already over 100,000 retails are accepting Bitcoin as a payment. So if the Doge comes in, and then my guesses are right now NFT is only supported by Ethereum, but what if Doge does as well? So, or Doge can participate as well. And then what if the Doge can be available on Coinbase.com? So that's interesting. So future is definitely unpredicted, but I have a good feeling about this. And again, I only invested not so much money. So even if I lose, I feel really great to be a part of the history that everybody's kind of excited about. And then I watched a lot of YouTubers, and then surprisingly a lot of friends are investing in Dogecoin as well. So I just wanted to make this video and then share what I think of this Dogecoin.